Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut a wooden plank using an angle grinder. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, the very first thing I would say is to have proper protection, especially for eyes. Glasses are very much required because when such equipments work together, it generates a lot of particles and you don't want anything like this to get into your eyes and create trouble, right? So eye protection is very important and you should have other protection too. Now this is my garage, not my workshop, that's why I don't have a clamp, but if you're working on a wooden piece like this, it's good to have a clamp. Okay, so that because what happens when you actually run this on a grinder on this, it's gonna vibrate a lot. Okay, so if you have something like if it is clamped for and held perfectly, it's gonna be easy. Otherwise, if you don't have, or if you ask someone help to hold, it's gonna create trouble. In this video you will see that I don't have a clamp, so I'll still hold it, but that's not the way you to do it. Instead you should do it with a proper clamp so that you don't miss the mark. Okay, so I'm ready now. Like this is like as I said, my home garage and not a workshop, that's why I have don't have clamp, but I'm trying to hold it nicely. Okay, I'll go one more round again, but as I have always said, protection is very important. So it's not difficult to grind, but you saw that because of the vibration, because it's not held with a clamp, I was sometimes going away from my trajectory, and you see edges like this. But in the professional world this is not allowed, because I could not hold it because my home garage. But yeah, if this wood is placed firmly and if you nicely go here without any worrying of holding this firm, you can grind it in a better way. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.